What's up, everybody? Logan here, NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're going to be diving down into what is known as Non Kyoto Protocol, the future of carbon credit. So, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification because it's perfect for you. So, you'll be updated with the upcoming videos also. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So, do it with your own, study this platform, take your time, and if you think you can generate the best return, so it's quite amazing. Next, you can see here, if you click on CoinGecko, you will be able to get more information regarding Non Kyoto Protocol. So ticket symbol is NKP. So the details are there, the fully you can see here due date or valuation. You can see here $7647798. 24-hour trading volume. You can see here total supply is 1,000,000,000,000, and the maximum supply is the same. Next, you can see here the address. It's based on Ethereum network, and you can see here all information, the detail, the links, each and everything is mentioned here. So I was discussing with project owner, and in the end we decided to introduce this platform because it looks to me that it's quite amazing. Its safety, security, its reliability, each and everything is quite amazing. And the second thing that inspired me to introduce this platform, that is their team was backing up this platform. Their very strong team was backing up this platform, and none of the project can be successful without active and strong team. So please don't miss any part of this platform because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works, its details, and each and everything is very important to understand before investing any platform, because I always guide my community because there are a lot of projects out there. So few of them are scam, few of them are legend. So it's very important to understand, and after that you can jump in. You can see here the decentralized carbon registry, next P2P carbon market, AI powered by verifications, and they are providing you all solution here. Next, you can see here more information, and there are details what does 4 million of CEs look like. So you can see here the detail about that, and so each and everything is here. Next, you can see here the proof of regenerating the green mining protocol. So here the informations are available and how basically it works, what is the green mining protocol. So you can see here all informations are there. Assets backed yield, rare revenue from the infrastructure, not protocol inflation, and 30% buyback engine. So you can see here the details. Next, AI enhanced performance and tokenized liquidity. Choco details are next. You can see here fine Francisco of America. Next, details are there, creating carbon. So next, all informations are there. And next, guys, if you scroll down a bit, so you can see here a ChocoWeaver project. So details are mentioned here, the ChocoWeaver project. So here you can see the project overview are there. You can get more information. You can study you can study the white paper, because white paper is the backbone of any project. So when you visit the white paper, you will be able to get more information regarding this platform. Carbon impact, you can see here the details about there, and you can see all the information over 40 years accrediting period, and 2022 to 2041. So it's around about for 20 years, and 1 lakh credit in one phase, and buffer reserve 12%, and audit by carbon check, and VCS and CCBS red project. Next, you can see here community benefits and directly benefiting over 10,000 people though. Next, you can see here sustainable job creation. Next, you can see here the clean water access. So these are the work they want to do, and the main reason to introduce this platform, and that is here. So you can get more information. You can see here educational support program also. Next, you can see all the details are there. Ecosystem value, you can see here protecting typical Haiti bear 4, and next you can see here 200 birds and species and rare flora and fauna. So all information are there what they want to do. And next you can see here the carbon credit overview. 100k credit, and the project total is 30.26 million credit. So next you can see here landfill audience project. and Dimension Republic. So these are the information. And next you can see environment impact and financial impact and carbon credit. So these are the information that I'm providing you. So here are the teams. I already told you that they have a very strong team who are backing up this platform. So the Kyoto or non-Kyoto, that is a question. So let's discuss about that. You can see here the Kyoto Protocol was the global attempt formalize the climate action through international law since 1997. सो बेसिकली ये 1997 से ये लॉ है जिस पे ये काम कर रहे हैं, तो इसकी डिटेल भी आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट एनकेपी tokenomics. It's really important to understand. I told you that total supply is 1,000,000 and 1 billion token supply as a pledge for FS and 1 million ton of greenhouses gases. So you can see here. Next, liquidity trading pool is 35%, team development 20%, partnership grant 10%, and treasury future growth 15%, marketing community 10%, and seed sale 5%, ecosystem development is 15%. It's quite acceptable division at the moment. Next, you can see here, you can see the technology stacks. You can see here technology arts has combined the blockchain, AI, and traditional carbon market and infrastructure in the seamless design to scale the compliance and trust. Next, you can see core component, which जितने भी component इसमें involve होंगे तो उसकी detail भी यहाँ पे आपको available है. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लेयर की डिटेल है जिसमें ERC20. सो इसका जो ब्लॉकचेन नेटवर्क है वो ERC20 है. API इंटीग्रेशन लेयर जो है उसकी डिटेल है. नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं मोरफेयर इंटीग्रेशन. नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं टूर्नामेंट अर्थ एंड ऑब्जर्वेशंस. और यहाँ पे ऑरेकल नेटवर्क की है और यहाँ पे टेबलेंट IPFS की डिटेल. As far as the roadmap is concerned, you can see here our strategic path scaling carbon impact on the platform growth. So what they want to do in the future, all the details are there. So it's for 20 years. So you will see lots of details will be there. It's very important to join their community. When you join their community, you will be able to get more information regarding this platform. So next you can see here phase one. You can see complete on-chain representation infrastructure with the registry, API connections, and next you can see here it's a launch details. Also each and everything is provided there. So NKP is not just a token, it's a movement. I already told you that the team who was backing up this platform, they're trying their best to improve and improve this platform and its reliability, safety, and its growth. They're trying their best, so wish you best of luck. So next you can see here, you can join their Telegram and tutor. All links are here, and you can get more information regarding this platform. Next, it's the white paper. It's very important. I already told you that white paper is the backbone of any platform. When you study the white paper, you will be able to get more information. You can see here the detail about their vision, what they want to do, and next market position and outlook. Next, all informations are there. So I'm sure when you visit the white paper, you will be able to get more information and you will be satisfied to see all the detail regarding that. So this was the information that I provide you, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. So this was the detail that I provide you. Hope so you briefly understand. And once again, I'm requesting to all subscribe and investor community, please don't miss to join their links. It's very important to join their links because lots of discussion will be going on and you will be able to get all the detail regarding NKP. So wish you best of luck, guys. So we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.